So guys, this was the last piece of the secondary shaft. Here are the gears for this gearbox. We have, I'm guessing this is first, this is second, third gear, fourth gear, and this is for the reverse. And I had to disassemble this because I wanted to check out what is going on inside, if anything is wrong. And what I found was that there were lots of debris, plastic pieces from this gear. One second. The original gear is missing, so I've bought a new one. This is for the speedometer and the mileage. Here it is. It looks like this, and this is the small shaft that is for this gear. And actually this is connected to the drive shaft and the differential, and when the differential spins this wheel, then it shows the correct speed and stuff. And on this gearbox this was missing. It was broken and scattered all over the gearbox, so pieces from these two parts were clogging. They were actually clogging this hole over here that is going across the whole shaft, and there are 3 or 4 more holes that are supplying oil through the main hole to the gears, so they can spin without scrubbing the metal to metal, so they are free and everything runs smoothly. But at the moment this was clogged, so especially on the third gear, I think was extremely difficult to get oil in. But now I've tried and I've cleaned everything, so the shaft is assembled once again and it is ready to be used. As you can see, everything is moving the way it's supposed to move. The only thing that is not moving is the reverse, but that is not a problem. It is supposed to be this way actually, so that is not a problem at all. So this is it. The next step is going to be to disassemble the differential, because I have to mount these gears. Inside of the differential, and for that I'm gonna have to take it out of the housing, and this is gonna be the next thing to do for me to do. So I'm gonna keep assembling this gearbox. I'm gonna finish to disassemble it, and I'm gonna start assembling. I wanna say I'm sorry that I'm not gonna be able to explain everything, because the work is going way too slowly and it is rather cold and dark, so I'm having difficulty repairing this. So I'm gonna just focus on work, and I'm hoping that you're gonna be able to, by seeing what I'm doing, you're gonna be able to understand the process. So I'm gonna jump right into the differential for now.